This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn S series. This happens to be a 1998 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the EVAP Purge Solenoid. Now it's located above the starter. You'll have to get the vehicle up in the air, support it on jack stands. In my case, I've got it on ramps. And so the first thing we need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now, once you're underneath, you want to remove this electrical connector with the red lock. Just pull up on that and slide it back. Now, right next to it is a rubber line that goes up to the intake manifold. So we just slide that back. Now, next to that, with the blue locks on it, is the line that goes back to the charcoal canister. So we're going to squeeze the two blue tabs. Squeeze the tabs, and then we're going to slide back the black plastic piece that goes over the lock right there. Okay, line's all off. Now right here, to the base of that, is a 10mm headed bolt, which secures the solenoid to the block. Now, what I've got here is a extension with a wobbler end to it. Gives me a little flexibility with the socket because we're a little bit tight back here. You can see it's just a little bit difficult lining everything up. So a little extra movement with the socket is really helpful. Now it's just one bolt. And you can see why we removed the negative battery cable from the battery, because we're working right next to the positive lead from the battery to the starter solenoid. So we don't want that live. The bolt should come out pretty easy, being back here on the back of the block. Alright, it's almost out. Okay, there's the bolt. Okay. Now we gotta find a way to get this out of here with all these darn wires. Okay, there it is. It's in the clear. One purge solenoid. So that's all there is to removing a EVAP Purge Solenoid from your Saturn S series.